Hey traders, welcome back to Trade Pro FX, your go-to channel for mastering the art of trading and cracking the code of the markets without actually cracking your screens, I hope. Today, I've got something exciting for you. We're diving deep into not one, but two amazing indicators that'll have you executing trades like a pro, the Vortex Indicator and Heikin Ashi candles. Trust me, after this, you'll be riding trends smoother than a surfer on a wave, a bullish wave, I hope. All right, first things first, let's talk about the Vortex Indicator. No, this isn't some tornado coming to wipe out your account. In fact, it's quite the opposite. The Vortex Indicator helps you identify strong trends. It's like a GPS for price action, guiding you when to buy and when to, well, run for cover. So with that, you should go to your Indicators tab and search for the indicator. Name it's Vortex. Click it and it will appear on your screen like this. Here's how it works. It has two lines. The blue one, which represents the positive trend, and the red one, representing the negative trend. Now, if these lines cross each other, pay attention. It's like when two people bump into each other at a coffee shop and bam, something happens. When the blue line crosses above the red line, that's your "hey, I'm interested" moment. Time to start thinking about going long. But if that red line crosses above, well, it's time to think about running for the hills, or at least hitting sell. Here's a recent example where the blue line crosses a red. You can see the market took off like it was late for a meeting. If you had gotten in right there, you'd be sitting pretty. And of course, when the red line crossed above again, yep, you guessed it, that's your exit cue. Think of the red line as your jealous ex. When it shows up, you might want to back out. Now, just when you thought it couldn't get any easier, bam, enter the Heikin Ashi candles. I call these the Zen candles because they smooth out all the noise, giving you a clearer view of the trend. No more panic when a regular candle throws a tantrum with a random spike. With Heikin Ashi, it's all about calm, smooth sailing. Here's what I mean. A normal candle might show you a small dip and you freak out, close your position. Then the market takes off in your favor and you're left crying into your coffee. But with Heikin Ashi, it smooths those small dips into something you can actually work with. These candles help filter out the noise and focus on the trend, my friend. Now, here's the magic. When you use these two together, it's like peanut butter and jelly. They just work. The Vortex Indicator gives you the signal, and the Heikin Ashi helps you stay calm, cool, and collected during the trade. So, here's the deal. When the Vortex gives you a cross, you check the Heikin Ashi candles. If those Zen candles are showing strong color, blue for upward, red for downward, you're golden. You've got yourself a confirmed trade. It's like getting a double thumbs up from the market. Ow! I know what you're thinking. Sounds easy, right? Well, yes and no. Always remember, trends are your friends, but even friends can betray you. That's why you always use a stop loss, right? I mean, no one wants to be left holding a position that's sinking faster than the Titanic. So, place your stop loss just below the previous low if you're buying, or just above the recent high if you're selling. That way, if the trade turns against you, you're out before things get too wild. And believe me, the market can get wild. Wilder than my hair on a bad day. All right, let's wrap this up. Today we learned about the Vortex Indicator and how it gives you clear entry and exit signals. We combined that with the soothing Heikin Ashi candles for calm, confident trading. Together, they make one heck of a dynamic duo. Just remember, when you get that blue vortex line crossing the red and your Heikin Ashi candles are blue, it's go time. But as soon as the candles start turning red or the vortex lines reverse, it's time to make like a responsible trader and hit that exit button. So, that's it for today, folks. Go out there and try this combo for yourself on TradingView or Deriv. And remember, if the market doesn't give you the profits you want today, there's always tomorrow. Or as I like to say, the trend is your friend, but if it turns on you, don't let it move in without paying rent. If you found this helpful, Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss the next trading tip. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy trading, and may your trends be long and your losses short.